Ball is on the air from FedEx Field in Landover, Maryland. The New York Football Giants take on the Washington Redskins. The Giants coming off a win last week against Miami, 36-20. For the Giants, an opportunity to finish the season strong. Daniel Jones back in at quarterback.
60 minutes, take it through. Giants on 3, 1, 2, 3, Giants.
We back again, man, another Sunday. We get to do what we love, man. Can't ask for anything better, man. It's a blessing. It's a blessing. But you know we logged in. You know we logged in.
We gotta get this one today. It feel good out here now. It feel great. Great day to get a win, you feel me? Great day to be a Giant. Let's go get this one now.
Remember, man, this is our playoff game. Everything matters for us. Play it like a playoff game. This is a war. It's war time. Like we always say every week. The game gonna be win because of us. We gonna win this game today because of us. Yep. War time on 3. 1, 2, 3.
War time!
2nd and 9 from the 23. Jones looks left, pumps, now throws it down the left sideline, completes it for the touchdown to Sterling Shepard. It's a 23-yard touchdown pass. Jones to Shepard, and the Giants strike first on the opening drive of the game. Haskins in a shotgun set on a 3rd and 3 from the Giants' 10. Haskins back to throw. He's under pressure. Runs away from the pressure. Now sidearms it into the end zone for a touchdown to Steven Sims.
Let's go put it on again.
It is 2nd and 2 from their own 33 with the ball in the right half. They give it to Barkley again. Big hole up the middle. Barkley across midfield. Breaks to the 40, to the 30, to the 20, 15, 10, 5. Dives for the end zone. Is he in? Touchdown Giants! 67 yards for Saquon.
Boy, this offensive line has done a great job with great vision and patience by Saquon Barkley.
Barkley with 107 yards on 4 carries.
Yes, sir! Legend, young legend.
Let's get 1,000 this game right here, boy.
Talking about that swagger,
Racks
man.
blue.
Racks blue.
Peterson in an offset eye left. Haskins fakes the handoff. He's looking to throw. He's under pressure. Back of the end zone. Caught for the touchdown.
Hey, everything right now is a click late. That's our problem. We're a click late on re-rotating. We're a click late on getting our eyes right. We're a click late on communicating. Speed up right now.
Come on, baby. We got to
Speed
lock
up.
in.
Let's
man.
ride, though, boy.
Hey, we got to lock in. We up on Lou. On Lou. Come on. We good. We good. Come on.
I need you to stop on the gas. I need you to stop on the gas on these next ones. Let's go.
Hey, don't stay. Let's switch it up on them. You know? Stay with it. Stay with it.
On the last play,
Don't do some rolls with it. Keep the Vaders. If they go for 3, they go for 4. Take it. That's going to keep them guessing. Right.
Jones in a shotgun set. Barkley to his left. Jones takes the snap. He's back to throw. Slides left. Now fires one deep down the middle. Barkley's wide open for the touchdown. 33 yards. Jones to Barkley. Nobody covered Saquon. And the Giants have scored touchdowns on their first 3 possessions of the ball game.
I see you, boy. Racks blue. Racks blue. Racks blue.
They're going to start adding some more. Go crazy. I go crazy. Y'all go crazy. We all go crazy. I see.
I'm trying to cut him off.
My heart.
Hey, look, I got him. But I was like, get in there.
I had to open up the wheel.
Down to 48 seconds to go. Jones takes a shotgun snap. Can't take a sack. Throws one left. Completes it to Latimer, who fights for the end zone and is in for the touchdown. Daniel Jones' 3rd touchdown pass of the first half. The Giants execute the 2-minute drive. They've scored their 4th touchdown in the half. And with 38 seconds to go, the Giants are now up 27-14 with the extra point pending.
I like that.
Show me where your middle at. That show me where your middle at.
The good thing is we had no penetration. So again, on a short yardage play, we talk about no penetration, form and time.
All right, no penetration at the point of attack. Allow the back to get his shoulder square, and then we got to go and deuce one guy.
Jones takes the snap and he's back to throw. Fires one right to the end zone. Touchdown, Peyton Smith.
Good play. Money. That's perfect play. That's in a row there, right? What? I want to reward you for up and jumping off sides. My bad. Huh? Yeah, I lean. You went to Stanford. How can you jump off sides? I was too excited. You're too smart for that, right?
Takes a wobbly snap, and this one does get blocked. Right up the middle again. They got the pressure, and the punt was blocked by Nate Orchard. First and goal at the 1. It's an I set. Keenum takes the snap, handoff Peterson, works right in for the touchdown. There's number 111. And he's broken the tie with Walter Payton. Giants up 35-28. First and goal at the 1. Strong formation to the left. Fullback in the game. Play fake. Keenum's going to roll right. He's going to run with it. Keenum dives. Is he in? Yes, touchdown! So the Giants are going to overtime for the second time in 2 weeks.
Hey, we love this, right? This is why we play the game. This is why we play the game, right? Remember, it's fun. It's fun. We're relentless. This is why I love this. We're relentless. Now one play at a time.
Jones in a shotgun set. Barkley to his left. Jones back to throw. Fires one to the right. Completes it in Redskin territory to Sterling Shepard. And he gets tackled at the Washington 40-yard line. That's a big 3rd and 7 conversion.
Boy, he found the hole right there, and a good job by the offensive line.
So now it'll be 3rd and goal at the 3. On the opening possession here in overtime. Again, a Giant touchdown ends the game. Jones in a shotgun, Barkley to his right. Calls out signals, takes the snap, he's back to throw. Fires one right, touchdown Giants, Peyton Smith, and they win it in overtime. Second touchdown catch for Smith. Jones' 5th touchdown pass of the ball game, and the Giants win it in overtime. 11 plays, 66 yards on the drive, and the Giants are victorious, 41-35.
Love you, brother. Great work. Hey. Hey, boys. That's it.
So proud. What I told you. Didn't I tell you that? One more left for you. Didn't I tell you that? Didn't I tell you that?
Buddy.
Nice job.
Hey, you dropped this. I got this for you. Good job.
That's my dog. Hey, baby. You better not leave me hanging in front of all these cameras. Here we go, baby.
Hi, Mom. If anybody was wondering whether you guys were going to give up or throw in the towel, your fight was on full display today for everybody to see. I'm so damn proud of the way you guys fight, and there's something to be learned from that. Whether it's as we finish the end of this season or you live your life, if you fight, you have a chance. And you did it, and we found a way to win. Congratulations. All right, Bill, break us down.
Giants on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Giants!
Hey Giants fans, Saquon Barkley here. You want to see more videos? Subscribe below.